Catching 40 winks, the secret to quick refreshment. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its many expressions. Today, we're exploring a quaint but widely used phrase, catch 40 winks. This saying has a rich history and a meaning that's as relevant today as it ever was. So, if you've ever wondered about the origins and use of this phrase, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Catch 40 winks is an idiom that means to take a short nap. It's often used to describe grabbing a quick bit of sleep, usually during the day, to refresh oneself. Unlike a long sleep or overnight rest, catching 40 winks is all about brief, light sleep that helps you recharge. It's a handy phrase in our busy lives, where a full night's sleep might be a luxury. But a quick nap can make all the difference. The phrase, catch 40 winks, originates from the 19th century. The number 40 has long been associated with the concept of sufficient or a lot, appearing in various cultures and texts to signify an ample amount. In the context of this phrase, 40 winks suggests just enough sleep to be revitalized without spending too much time asleep. It's fascinating how this specific number has become a part of our language, representing the idea of a perfect, short rest. Using catch 40 winks in conversation is straightforward. It's a casual phrase, perfect for everyday use. Here are a few examples. I'm going to catch 40 winks before the meeting this afternoon. I need to be at my best. She caught 40 winks on the train ride home. If you're feeling tired, why not catch 40 winks? A short nap could help you feel more alert. These examples show how the phrase can be used to talk about oneself or others taking a quick nap, regardless of the location or time of day. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and origins of the phrase, catch 40 winks. We hope this video has shed some light on this charming expression and how it can be used in everyday English. Whether you're a learner looking to expand your vocabulary or simply curious about English idioms, remember that a short nap can do wonders for your energy levels. So, next time you're feeling a bit worn out, consider catching 40 winks yourself. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.